This store operates using the dropshipping model and sells this product. Last month, it managed to generate around $10,000 in sales from this product, all through creating content on TikTok. They have a TikTok account where they post daily videos about this product and have placed the store link in their bio. Once customers click on it, they are redirected to the product page and can easily make a purchase. This person sells the product for about $15 while the product costs only $1. This allowed them to achieve a very high profit margin and sell over 650 units last month. Today, step by step, we will learn how to start dropshipping, create a professional online store, and link the store with a supplier that provides you with products at very low prices. After that, you can start in one of two ways, either by creating content on TikTok or through paid TikTok ads. Like this video and subscribe to the channel because I share profitable products daily. The first step is to create an online store on Shopify. I will leave a registration link in the video description, through which you will get a free trial, and your first 3 months on Shopify will be $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. If you are planning to run ads on TikTok, there is a very exciting offer from TikTok right now. If you spend $100 on ads, you will receive an additional $100 in free credit that you can use again for TikTok ads. You will find the offer link in the video description. After registering on Shopify, we move to step 2, which is choosing the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop, and I will leave the Zendrop app link in the video description. Zendrop offers a free plan and provides thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. We will start by installing the app on the store. Then we will go to Shopify, click on Apps, and select Zendrop. From here, you can search for the product you want to source. For example, I want to start with this product, so I will click on it. Here I will find all the product details. Below, I will find the variants, which are the available colors and sizes of the product. Here I will find the product cost. Here I will find the shipping cost, which varies from one country to another. Here I will find the total cost. And here I will find the average shipping time. To import this product into the store, click on Add to My Products. Then click on My Products. You will find the product here. Click on Review and Publish. From here, you can edit all the product details before publishing it to the store, such as the product name, product description, variants, and selling price. You can adjust the selling price from here, and the net profit per piece will appear. Next, choose the images to publish on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store and then Confirm. This will publish the product to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product already listed on the store. Now, complete the design and settings of the online store, and connect a payment gateway so that customers can pay for the product. Once you start receiving orders, go to Zendrop under the Orders section. You will find the orders here. You can add funds equivalent to the product cost and then ship these orders to the customer with ease. With Zendrop's free plan, you can fulfill up to 25 orders. If you want to fulfill an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. Now you have two options. Start with paid ads on TikTok. Create a TikTok account and post daily content about the products you are working with. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Goodbye.